Assalamualaikum. Me, Abira. Welcome back to my channel, Pinky Sprinkle. Today I am going to make DIY slime. So we need this liquid glue. You can take any liquid glue and this color. I'm going to use this green. You can use any color, and detergent powder and water. So let's start making. We need a bowl. In this we are going to pour this glue. How much I need to make the slime? I have taken this glue. So after that I'm going to add this color. Let's mix it. You are going to mix it till the color mix it in the glue well. So now I'm going to mix this detergent and this water. You are watching that how much this detergent liquid is. Pour this one into this. I'm going to put it slowly so that the slime can be made it. Now mix it slowly. See, it is being smoother or thicker. Then add the oil. See, the slime is going to be ready. You're going to mix it slowly. Then we are going to mix it with hand because the slime can't be stretched with spoon. So we're going to take out all of the water from the slime, this detergent water, and all the water you will take out, just stretch it for more time so it may become like a slime. See, it is being slimy. To tell you that this glue, we all know that glue stick or liquid glue, when we paste something it stick and it became hard, so we can't open the page. So like we have made slime with this liquid glue, the slime can't be made for 2 days or 3 days. So when you need to play, you can make slime. Okay.